Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the where clause in SQL. So the where clause is just a condition to filter data. So this is the syntax for SQL where clause, the where condition. It'll be select your column name from your table name, and then you'll put your where condition. Or you can just do select a star, which means all, from your table name, and then your where condition. So the where clause is just a filter on your select statement. So the where condition is just a filter on your select statement. For example, let's say if you have a table with addresses, and if you only want to select addresses that are in Texas, you can use the where clause, the where filter, to filter the data. So we're going to log into SQL Server Management Studio and open new query. We're going to be using this AdventureWorks 2017 database. Again, this is a sample database provided by Microsoft and is free for everyone to use. If you want to learn how to download this sample database, you can watch my video. I'm going to provide the link in the description below. In this example, we are going to use person.Address table. So first, we're going to select everything from this person.Address table. So the SQL statement would just be select a star from person.Address. Click execute. So this would give us everything in that table, which is 19,614 records. Now the where clause comes in if you want to filter this data. For example, if you only want to see addresses in a specific city or a specific postal code, you can use the where clause. For example, let's say if I only want to see addresses in a specific zip code, I can do where condition, which would be our postal code, equals, and then in single quotes you can put the postal code. So let's say if we do it for 78100, and if we click on execute, now this is just going to give us the addresses that are in that postal code, in that zip code, which is 56. So we just filtered the data in person.Address table based on the postal code. You can also do this filter based on the city. For example, if we only want to see the addresses that are in the city of Dallas, we can just do where city equals Dallas. Click execute, and now we only get 7 records versus the 19,000 earlier. So these are all the records in the city of Dallas. And then if you only want to select specific columns, you can just do city, postal code, address, line 1. Click execute. So in this example, you're only selecting these 3 columns: city, postal code, address, line 1 from person.Address table, where city equals to Dallas, where city is Dallas, and you only get 7 records. I'm also going to put this code in the description below so you can try it out yourself, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.